Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today I'm out with Easton from Toyota over Land. And today we're actually going to take off over the Grey Creek Pass. So since I've moved here, I haven't really gotten a lot of time to get out, and Easton's taken me out a couple times, but I've never really asked you what you've done to your rig, and I'd kind of like to know. Looks pretty rad. What's going on? Totally.
So this is a 2014 second gen Tacoma. This is actually a 4-cylinder, so it's actually pretty light in the front end. Synthetic line winch, and we got a worn bumper as well. Front lights, fog lights. I have a bigger air intake as well, because again, we got a 4-cylinder, pretty small. Snorkel right there. Ditch lights, I got Fox shocks underneath. This gives me about a 2-inch lift or so. These guys I got in the fall. These are Firestone Destination MT2, 295/70 R17. Pretty good lift on them. I just chew through all the snow. Toyota never made a factory roof rack for the Access cabs. Access cabs have the suicide doors, so I had to go the Thule route and just get a normal basket with the feet. It works out for my purposes. Going to the rear, I got a soft topper. This guy is made of canvas material, just like your Jeeps and things like that. The sides roll up, the whole thing rolls up. It's super light. I love it. I camp in it in the winter. I got a Adventure Gear trail bag. These are actually made in Canada, handmade in Canada, all leather. Oh, it's beautiful material. I keep all my garbage in here, any other little trail things, super easy to grab, love it. Going to the back, I actually made a quick, this is just for tools. And when I go camping, I can bring the whole kitchen as well. And that's pretty much it. That's my truck.
Alrighty, well, let's get on our way and go see this trail.
So we're actually at the entrance to the old Grey Creek Road. This is the Powerline access road. It's very, very steep. It's single track only. I believe this was made for just the Powerline access, just accessing the road entirely. It wasn't made accessible for the public because it's just way too steep and it's just way too tight. That's why we have the normal Grey Creek Pass. taking the Grey Creek Pass. Quick little history about the Grey Creek Pass. It wasn't formally built until the 1990s. They were still having miners go back and forth over the 50s and 60s, because what happens, they need to bring power to the East Shore because they had the Bluebell mine in Riondell. So they need to find a way to get power to Riondell, either cutting across Kootenay Lake or coming through the mountains. So that was the Grey Creek Pass. The road was formally built in the 90s. It didn't receive much use by the public. The government never paid enough money to actually pave it or anything else, so it is just a heavily maintained Forest Service road.